I'm so happy and fulfilled that I was able to visit Simala twice this month of November after it was gradually opened to the public after it was partially closed during the pandemic. Now you can attend the Holy Mass, visit the Blessed Virgin Mary, personally visit and experience its beautiful museum, and light your personal candle. Simala Parish Church in Cebu, Cebu is also known as Simala Shrine, Simala Church, Mother Mary Castle Church, Berhen sa Simala, Mama Mary Shrine of Simala, and Miraculous Mama Mary Church. Its real name is Monastery of the Holy Eucharist, and although it is not the oldest church, it's one of the most well-known and most visited church in Cebu.